What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? And in today's video we're gonna be doing a little bit of creek fishing. It's roughly 16:30 right now. The sun don't go down to about 19:30, so hopefully we could get some fish. I finally got the GoPro set up. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it does pretty good. I got my little mic adapter there. I got a battery bank to continuously charge one battery, so hopefully we could get on some fish down there. I know there's some rock bass, I know there's little trout, and I know there's smallmouth down there, so hopefully we could catch something. I never really fished down here before, but I've heard people catching fish out of this creek, so hopefully we could get on something. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the chesty. All right, guys, so here we're at this creek. Hopefully we can link up with the fish. That'd be pretty cool. First time I'm ever really creek fishing. See if we can link up with something. Hopefully I don't get snagged. Lose my freaking lure. Definitely want to start posting more videos. Right now I'm just fishing I think it's a little 1/8 ounce rage tail. Well, rage tail on a 1/8 ounce head. That's what we're fishing. Hopefully we can catch something today. That would be pretty nice. I gotta get used to using this tiny little rod. Oh, this water's moving. It's actually pretty deep. I thought it wasn't gonna be as deep. All right, guys, seen something busting over here. Hopefully it's a bass. Wow, that's really weird, fishing with a small rod. Oop. See, now I'm getting it stuck all in the trees. There we go. Got braided line, 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. That's right, I could actually feel the heavy little rock that jig's going over it. Seems pretty sensitive so far. This is the Yampa River by Favorite. It is a 6-foot ultralight rod, and I have this rigged up on a 2000 series or 2000 size reel with 10-pound braid and a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader tied on with an Alberto knot. And this little tiny jig casts pretty far for how light it is with this ultralight rod. So I'm hoping I could catch a fish out of here. I never fished here before. Be nice to catch my first fish on this little tiny ultralight rod here. Hopefully you guys can even see that. All right, let's move over here. Trying to find some current. Okay, found this little trail here. Give us some access to some new waters. We'll go to the right here. Maybe we can link up with some fish. Oh, it's nice back here. I think what I'm gonna do is just let this thing. Oh look, I almost hit a duck. Maybe that means there's some fish in here. Looks pretty deep. I felt something. There has to be smallmouth in here. Has to be. Well, that was horrible. Oh, now I'm stuck in a tree above me. Great. Okay, so far, this is not going as planned. I guess that's why it's good to have an ultralight, super small rod. Must be rocks down there. Oh, I could see some rocks. So, if I don't catch anything, I think I'm still gonna upload a video, because if you don't catch anything, wow, this rod is super sensitive. I can literally feel every single rock that this little jig goes over. That's amazing. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Nice, right where we want it. Yeah, you could feel every single rock. Now, I don't know if I said this before, but this is, this is on a 2000 series reel on a loose speed spool. Wow, that's crazy. I literally can feel every single rock. That's what I'm doing, since I really don't have much room to cast, is I'm reeling it up as high as I can to the tip, and then just sidearm casting it, and then letting the current take it down. Okay, let's try this spot over here. Like I said, guys, if I don't catch anything, I'm still gonna post it, but I would like to. Definitely don't want to be one of them guys that, you know, just post catch after catch after catch. You know, sometimes you're not gonna catch a fish every single time you go out. I definitely can feel every single rock though that this little jig goes over. That's probably normal in a creek with all the current. That didn't go where I wanted to. I see a little break in the current over there I'm trying to hit, but I got too many trees. Okay, that didn't work either. If I just stand over here. There we go. Let me know what you guys think of the quality. Ooh. Oh, I'm snagged, I think. There we go, got it free. So if you guys ever get snagged, don't try to just shake the rod free. I'll show you here. So if you get snagged, what I've learned was just pull back like a bowstring and let it go. And so I'm still trying to get used to the whole making a YouTube video and stuff like that, so bear with me. I definitely want to provide, I just want to get good content out there. Definitely have good audio, good video quality. Wow, this is some fast moving current, jeez. I didn't think it'd be this quick, but I definitely want to get good quality videos out there for you guys. Like I said in the intro, I'm using the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Let me know what you guys think of the video quality, and then let me know what you think of the actual audio quality as well. That's my biggest thing, is I'm trying to make the audio as crisp and clean as I possibly can. That's my goal anyways. All right, I'm gonna try to aim for this little calm spot right there without freaking getting this thing stuck in some trees. Yep, that was a failure. Definitely not used to the whole creek game. This is not as easy as I thought it would be. So I ended up losing my leader, and oh, look at that, guys. I caught a freaking stick. All right, so I ended up losing my leader, and I don't have any, so I'm stuck just fishing straight braid on this thing. So I guess we'll see how this goes. That seemed like the juicy cast right there. Oop, oop, oop. Missed him. That was a fish. That was definitely a fish. Okay, so didn't catch anything. Ended up breaking off again, so I'm gonna call it quits for today. And like I said, this is really just a test video to make sure everything's running smoothly, make sure my audio sounds good, make sure the video quality is good, and really just to get out here and see how this rod performs, see if I could even catch anything out of here. No luck, caught a stick, but hey, sometimes you can't catch any fish, right? So let me know down in the comments below, you know, what you thought was good, what you thought was bad. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed and you're still here watching, hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell notification that you get notified every single time I upload a video. So please hit that subscribe button. I promise I'm gonna keep uploading more videos and try to get good quality content out to you guys. So until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.